After tracking the heat and humidity over the past couple of hours, we have been tracking some very intense rain and some strong thunderstorms here in the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. Often in the distance from our Savannah camera overlooking downtown, at times we've seen some flashes of lightning. That's also a theme with these storms that have been developing. Lots of lightning and, of course, those heavy downpours. Temperature-wise, cooling off because of that rain, but the humidity and that heat really set us up to have these strong and severe storms this afternoon. You can see the yellow boxes, the yellow outlines, those are the severe warned areas. The strongest cell right now is Savannah and southward into Liberty County. This is included in a severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45 for Chatham, Bryan, interior Liberty County, coastal Liberty County, McIntosh County, and even Long County included in that. Not as much activity down to the south, but the main cell approaching Richmond Hill right now with that intense rain. Further to the north, still technically a severe warning in place for the Low Country until 6:30, including areas along 95 and to the coast, but not much rain is falling and just a few small, stronger cells developing with lots of lightning. So there is that possibility of a few strong wind gusts, but it can see everything quickly pushing toward the coast around 25 to 30 miles per hour with those strong wind gusts a possibility. So if you're dry right now in places down to the south, especially into McIntosh County, you will be getting on that action fairly shortly. What was severe warned earlier is now moving out of our area, out of Bacon County. Just a few light rain showers left behind. We had high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, but certainly cooling off quite a bit. That humidity will be a concern for us tonight, keeping some spots feeling pretty toasty, still feeling like 109 for Beaufort, and that heat is going to be a major issue throughout the day Friday. Heat advisories for inland communities, extreme heat warnings in place already for our coastal communities, where we do expect there to be the most humidity, leading to the highest heat index values. So make sure you do stay cool and hydrated and take plenty of breaks. If you're going to be doing anything outdoors, it's definitely going to be the type of weather where you'll want to limit your outdoor activities during those peak heating hours, so you avoid it, because next week we will be getting even hotter as high pressure stays in control. What's referred to as a heat dome will be setting up a lot of sinking air in the atmosphere, but at the low levels we have a lot of moisture, and that's why we do have that chance for some showers and storms over the next few days, despite that high pressure heat dome setting in for us. So for tomorrow morning, starting off with some cloud cover, a few showers before lunchtime. It's during the afternoon and once again into the evening hours when a few strong to severe storms are possible. Not quite as widespread as what we've had for today, but there is that risk with the high temperatures reaching the upper 90s for most of us. Staying warm for tonight, upper 70s for those low temperatures. The showers and storms from today will taper off through the evening hours, setting us up for a dry start to Friday, but heating up quickly into the upper 90s. Weather aware because of the likelihood of those heat index values over 110, and we may upgrade the weekend as that humidity remains a concern, but it gets even hotter going into next week as conditions dry out just a little bit, so the actual air temperatures will be able to get a tad hotter.
Got 100 degrees on the board.
Sure do.
Like to see it.